When you purchase this template, you'll get this PDF with a link, and you just click right there, and it's going to ask you if you want to edit the template, and that is what you say. And there it is. Now you've got your book website to customize. So all of these elements you can change out, change the fonts, change what it says, whatever you want. Some of them I did lock into place just so that it's like this background of the snowflakes. You can unlock that and do something different, but just to help you not like get things moving that you don't intend to move. You've got this where you can tell your story. This paper goes down pretty far. It goes on to the next page, as you can see here. This is one scrolling continuous experience, so it is a one-pager. You can, add pages to it. You can duplicate and change the things around, but as you can see, when I duplicate that, part of this is on the next page, just to make it long enough. And then this is a different box with a different font, so you can put your name in. And make that on one line. You can change the size of that. Change out this picture, obviously, because that is a stock image. That's not me. So let's see if I labeled any of my uploads. Probably not. Headshots of everyone, but except for me. Lots of headshots that are not me. All right, let's put this random picture of my sweet little puppy in there. And I'll hold it still, and then that is supposed to replace. Come on. There we go. So yeah, you have to sort of, this is a little bit different than how it used to be. It used to detach the image, and now usually it's going to have you just kind of hold the image over there, and then it will think for a minute and then pop in. But you can also crop this, so you click the edit here. So I could, this is not an ideal size, obviously, but you could, move it around and use petals. Yeah. And there is a shadow behind this, so it really sticks out. And then you tell whatever story you want to here. Now this is really cool. Canva now has their own forms in here. So this is from Elements, and now it has these things down here. One of them is forms, business forms. So I picked from there, and I just have name and email address so people can actually put that in. Now, what is not totally ideal is that this is not connected to an actual email list. They don't have a way for us to embed forms like from MailerLite or whatever email platform you're using, unfortunately. So you do have to manually grab the responses. So after you publish this website, when you click on this element, it's going to say responses up here. And that's where you'll see people's names and email addresses, and then you can download them and put them into your email manually to send them this gift. Finding a way to automate this is highly recommended, so you're not taking all your time remembering to send people the free gift to get them on your newsletter list. But when you don't have those pieces set up, when you can still do it this way. So I have in here like a suggestion, because I am a romance author, so I suggested, get a free Christmas romance story to cozy up with, but you put in whatever free gift you're offering as an incentive to join your mailing list. And then I had added this, so I'm going to take it out now. Gift guide. So the idea here is you would say, books for college students, or books for romantasy lovers, whatever you want to do. Move this around however you want, and then fill in these. And let me show you what this looks like when it's actually published. So there's an animation on this picture that comes up, and then these also animate right into a row like this. So if you're going to move these boxes around, it could mess up that animation, but so ideally you just keep those where they are and just add the images to them. So you would upload your book cover, and I've already got some book covers in here, so yeah, hover over, there it is. This is not a book for a romantasy lover. That is incorrect, but basically that's what you do. And then you have the footer here, just a little image, and then you can, oh, and make sure to link this. So when you click on that image, ... link, here's where you would put like the Amazon link. People can click on that, or you can add a button to make it even more clear. You could, you know, be like, click here to purchase, or whatever it is. And you could also do the same thing. Link, put in your Amazon link. If you don't have enough of your own books to fill this up, I highly recommend, if you are an Amazon affiliate, that you can put other people's books here with your affiliate link. And that way you get a little bit of a benefit when people purchase the book, and the author gets their royalty, and everybody is happy. So do fill that out with affiliate links, and there is an affiliate link disclaimer built into the page down here. And again, same thing with the footer. Each of these, you can delete them, you can move them around, and you can link them to your social profiles. And then when you're ready, you publish the website, and you'll have to, you know, pick what your URL is with my.canva.site, or get an actual domain to put in there. You can change some of these settings around. So it's not ideal using Canva as your main website, but it's something that you can do just to get a website up there quickly. And this is a great way to get a holiday page together and up so that you can share it and you can use it again year after year. So go ahead and have fun with that.